Hello everyone, I am Argava Noshin from HEPM COET Amravati and currently I have been selected as a designation of the software developer at Pine Pakam Lucknow. And today I am going to share my overall experience by attending the campus recruitment training at our HCD, that is our Hope Conflict Technology. So guys, whenever you go for any interview at any company, then the first round of any campus recruitment will be the aptitude round. And for clearing this aptitude round, this is not much critical task, because if you were aware all the basic mathematics from the first standard to 10th standard, then you were easily able to crack this aptitude round. Guys, for the preparation of this aptitude round, you may use some books as well as some YouTube channels links for the preparation of our aptitude round. And in this round, they may ask you the questions like quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and as well as verbal ability type of questions. So after clearing this aptitude round, the second and most important round is the technical round. This is most important round because this is elimination round. If you were not able to clear this technical round, then you cannot move forward through our final interview procedure. That's why guys, clearing this technical round is very much important. So for the preparation of this technical round, if you may refer YouTube channels as well as some books, then if in between your studies if you got any doubts, then no one will be there to solve your doubts. That's why guys, I will recommend you to join our HCD, that is our Hope Conflict Technology. Dhandesh are having their own way of teaching, and he also taught us many tips as well as techniques which we were used in different type of programming to solve different programming questions within minimum time. And also all his guidance will also most benefited me during my overall interview procedure, and I was able to solve many interview questions within limited time. And along with me, a lot of students in our HCD batch also got job offer letter from many good companies. So guys, you know that this is a very good opportunity, and we all are know that after engineering getting a job is very much important aspects. So for that we need to do hard work, as well as we need to do a lot of practice as well as struggle for clearing the aptitude and technical round as well. So Dhandesh sir will provide you best guidance for the placement preparation program, and also he will give you his own notes for the preparation of the programming, and also he will take an interview sessions for the preparation of our mock interviews, for preparation of our final interviews, and also he will take an our weekly programming test for the preparation of campus drives. So all these concepts will increase our confidence for our final campus recruitment drive. That's why guys, this is a very best opportunity for all of us within very affordable price. And Dhandesh sir is a very passionate teacher. He has his own way of teaching, and his way of teaching is very nice, and which clear all the doubts from basic to advanced level. That's why I will recommend you to join this the HCT, that is the Hope Conflict Technology, and get prepared for our campus drive, and also get prepared our dream job. And lastly, I I want to say that all the very best to all of our Hope Conflict students for their bright future. Thanks a lot of you.